Hey girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a full face-ish of Sheglam makeup, and it's going to be a glowy Valentine's look. This video is sponsored by Sheglam. I have tested their products here on my channel before, and I was pleasantly surprised by the quality, especially for the price. But they have some new launches that I'm so excited to share with you guys. This is my new favorite product. I've used this every single day since I got it. It is liquid blushes. It melts into the skin so beautifully. I've used it on top of powder. I've used it, with no powder, and it just melts in so well, but the color still shows up nicely. Let's go ahead and start off with foundation. So I have used this twice now. This is going to be my third time using it. This is the Complexion Pro long-lasting breathable matte foundation, and this foundation looks so beautiful on the skin. It dries down, but it's not drying matte. The coverage on this foundation is beautiful. I used the shade Cappuccino, and they do have deeper, darker shades as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take a pump of this, and I just dot it all over my face. It does dry down slightly darker than how it first goes on wet. So what are your Valentine's plans, guys? I know it's not ideal, Valentine's at home and everything, but hopefully you can still make it special. Or even if you are alone and don't have a partner, pamper yourself, dress up, treat yourself to a nice maybe takeaway, your favorite dessert, your favorite chocolate, just make the most of the day. So I don't actually have a concealer from Sheglam, so what I'm going to quickly do is put my concealer on, and then I'll come back so we can use the liquid blushes. And then to set my concealer, I'm going to take the Sheglam Translucent Setting Powder. I'm just going to take a light dusting of that and set underneath my eyes. And if you guys saw my testing video, I absolutely love this powder. So smoothing and blurring, really nice on the skin. But because we do want this to be a little bit of a glowy look, you guys know I'm not one for the glow, but I can do a little bit. So I just like to powder my oily areas, and then the rest of my face I'll leave like a natural glowy skin finish. Now to the exciting part. Sheglam have these liquid blushes. They have 4 shades. My favorite shade right now, well, I have 2 favorites, these two, Torrid and Dolce Vita. So Torrid is this beautiful, this is how they look. They come in like these little doe foot applicators, and you want to make sure you shake. It does have a little ball in there. You want to make sure you shake the product so that it's all, mixed together. This is the box they come in, and then this is the component. So this is Torrid. How beautiful is that color? So you apply it, and then of course you can blend it with your finger or a brush depending on how you prefer it, but it definitely shears out nicely and melts into the skin. And I hope you guys can see Dolce Vita is a little bit more of a pinky tone rather than an orangey tone. So once again, it blends out beautifully, and these are my 2 favorites. They do have 2 other shades as well, which are more lighter. So here are the other 2 shades. This peachy one here is called Luster, and then the pinky one is called Orgasm. So Orgasm could work for me, but it would be like a really Barbie bright pink. I do prefer the other 2 shades on my skin tone, but these 2 would be good for light medium. And here we have all the shades together. So this is Torrid, and then this one is Dolce Vita, and you guys can see they're more of a deeper tone. So these are all of the new liquid blushes from Sheglam. So I think because we're going for like a soft romantic look today, I'm going to go in with the shade Dolce Vita, which is the pinky tone. And like I said, you just go ahead and dab it on with this little applicator, and it can be applied on top of powder or underneath powder, however you want to do it. But I do like the strong kind of pigmentation that I get. It doesn't mess with my foundation, which I absolutely love, and I like to kind of apply it on my cheekbones, and then I take my angled brush and blend that. You see how that just melts in beautifully? It's so effortless. I've been using this every single day. Even though it melts in so effortlessly, you can still see the color on my cheeks. I just absolutely love how this looks on the skin. So now what I'm gonna do is go in and do my eyeshadow. So I have this palette which is called the Blossom palette. I haven't used this before, but it matches my shirt really well, and it's got some really nice colors in there. I did pick all of these products myself from the website, so of course you guys know I went for the pinky purple palette. Like, this is perfect perfect for Valentine's. Look at these gorgeous pinky red neutral tones. So the first shade I'm going to take is this pinky shade in the middle. I might mix it with the neutral brown underneath it, so these two, and just literally put that in the crease. See, even these two shades by themselves look absolutely beautiful. Like, they're deep enough just to, I haven't even gone in with the two deeper shades in the palette. Just these two alone look gorgeous. Honestly, these birds. Every video, guys, every video. And then I'm going to dip into the burgundy in the palette. Just a little bit of that right on the outer edge to deepen the look a little bit. How cute is that look? I'm going to run a little bit of the first two colours that I took underneath my lash line. And then all over the lid, I think I'm going to go in with this gorgeous duochrome. It might be a multi-chrome actually. It's a pink and a gold. How beautiful is that? It's literally a multi-chrome. Can you imagine? Pink to gold. So I'm going to tap that shade all over the lid. Ooh, come through with the palette quality, Sheglam. What? If you are going to buy the liquid blushes, just add this palette to your cart, because honestly, this quality. And then on the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this gold shade over here. So what is next? I feel like I look so cute, like soft and romantic. So let's go ahead and move on to the lip tint before I go ahead and put mascara and lashes on. So they have 5 shades in there. What is it called? Take a Hint Lip Tint. These are beautiful. I used these the other day, well, one shade the other day. You basically apply it and it tints your lips, but the color doesn't come off when you like kiss something, or if you have a mask on, or if you drink something. It stays nice and tinted, of course. So this is the packaging of it. Gorgeous pinky color that matches the liquid blushes as well. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all of these on my hand, and then we'll apply one to the lips. So here's all of the shades of the lip tints. I'm gonna start from this side. So this one is Birthday Lips, the next one is Cheeky, then we have Level Up, Wake Up Cool, and then the last one, which is more of a cool tone brown, is called Mood. So I think I'm gonna go for, oh, this is hard. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try the middle shade, which is called Level Up. It's like that dark red tinted color. If I don't feel like it goes with the look, I can go with the pinky shade next to it. Yeah, this is a little bit more red than I wanted to go. I wanted to go for like a soft pinky color. So this is how Level Up looks like. I'm going to quickly remove it before it tints my lips, because I want to go for something a little bit more pinky rather than red. I'm just going to dab over that with my foundation brush, because it was already a little bit tinted. So now I'm going to take the shade Cheeky, which is a little bit more pinky. They dry down slightly darker on the lips than how they first go on, so don't be intimidated by the colour. So of course, this is not a lipstick, it's a lip tint. So you just apply it, give it about 30 seconds to a minute to dry down, and it will turn to this beautiful glossy finish, but the colour won't come off. So I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on, my lashes on, and I'll come back and show you how the lips are looking. Okay guys, so lashes are on. This is the final look. I do want to add one final touch to my face, a little bit more glow, since this is a glowy Valentine's look. This is the highlighter called Call Me, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that on the tops of my cheek. How gorgeous is that color? Gorgeous gold. Kind of put the highlighter everywhere to make this a true glowy Valentine's look. Just putting some earrings in, doing the final touches. These curly braids are such a romantic hairstyle as well, in my opinion. Oh, Romeo, Romeo. So this is the final look, guys, and I hope you guys can see the lip tint is a nice glossy finish, but the color does not transfer. So yeah, absolutely love these products from Sheglam. Highly recommend checking out the eyeshadow palette and the cheek tint. These are my favorite products, along with the foundation, the powder as well. The lip tints they're all really nice products. So that is it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you think about the look. Would you be rocking it for Valentine's? Let me know what you think about all of the Sheglam products. Have you tried anything from Sheglam? What is your favorite? Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.